Hello, in this video I'll show you how to download Twitter videos on Android. So it's a very easy process. Now open the application. Now in order for you to download any video, you will first need the permission of the user, and then the moment they will give you the permission that you can download the video, after that you can download it. So the process will be click on the share option, then click on copy link. Now just simply go to a browser and over here just simply type SSS Twitter, then open the first link over here. Now all you have to do is just simply paste your link right over here and click on download. After that, scroll down and you will find few options. So over here just simply choose the highest quality video and click on download. Now the first time you might receive an ad, so just simply go back and press the same option again. And this time the downloading should start, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.